So it's Hamer's feeder now. Still does the job. Just got honed. I've just put some hay in my feeder here. Put some in this one here as well. Right, so here with JCB here. Here, what the horses don't like, so we're just going to throw it in my bucket here and we'll tip it in my clamp and get mixed in with the salad and my cows will eat it. So this is bale what we just put in, it's a lot greener. So yeah, swept up, it's all tidy now, so good job there. Quad bike here now in my little trailer. We're just doing a bit of fencing here, so I'm going to knock this post in here. To see if the crowbar is in line. So there's a crowbar just there. It's a bit out of line, so I'm just going to try move that a bit and hopefully it'll be alright. I wonder, how do I know if I've got the same width apart of the post? So basically all I do is walk about 3 strides, 3 metres. That's how I tell I've got the same amount of space apart from the posts. Close to you now. Right, so we've got the fence here all done now. We've got most of the posts knocked in. Gonna go for lunch now. So that'll do for now. Good job. Thank you for watching Jake Farm Life. Please remember like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.